Alright, so I just got myself this Dashing Diva Magic Press glued on nails. So it comes in 30 tips with 12 sizes, so you have a lot of sizes to choose from. And so this is for $60.90 for one of these, and here they show you the instructions on what you should do. So let's just get to it. Okay, so it comes with 3 different styles. So first is this just a normal gradient from normal pink to translucent, flowery design, and a special one with the rat on it. And lastly, we have this one, which is glitter, which is super cool. This, we have a kit as well. Kit comes with a nail file. I think this is to push the cuticle. Swab, I think an alcohol swab to clean your nails before applying the Dashing Diva nails. So let's get started. So I was thinking maybe we can do a little mouse action in the middle. I'm not sure if it's fit. I think this works fine for my thumb, so let's use this for the thumb. Not sure about this because it's a little weird, I would say. You see these little things right there? There's like some space in between. And it's just a bit weird, I feel. Okay, let's move on. I mean, there's not a lot of thumb sizes here. This is a little bit too big, and we have here another one just like this. I'm not sure what are the difference in this two. Maybe, yep, this is a little bit smaller. So actually I should have used that one instead of this one. So yeah, but now that I'm already into this whole of the mess, I might as well use this one. Yep, these two are the same sizes, so I'll need to use this one for my thumb as well. So apparently after you're done, you can actually like file them to how you want, and I'll just file them this way. I like around the shape. So I'm just gonna press this in real nice. I'm gonna choose this one. Maybe it's a little bit big. Maybe I'll choose this one. Yep, this one I think will fit just nice. It's really easy, so you're literally just pressing it onto your nails. And here we have really cool pretty nails right now. It just feels like your nail basically. Yep, so I have a little bit of concern here because actually my nails are pretty short, but if you can see, actually the glue extend all the way right there, so I'm not sure if the hygiene wise how that will work out, but yep, so far I'm liking it. It's cute. I'm gonna have to use this one because this one is a little bit tiny, so I can use this one and just stick them right on here. It's looking a little bit slanted, but it's fine. So there you have it. It's a little, oh my goodness, I'm loving this. It's just, look at it, it's so freaking cute. I especially love this one, it looks amazing. So I'm just gonna have to finish up the other hand and I'll be right back. So guys, this is after I have done everything, and this is my final nail. How it looks like after I fly out and everything. So because to the side there's only literally 2 of these little mousy and 4 of these flowery ones, I didn't really have a lot of choice. Open that up. So the rest are really just pink and the glitter ones, and these are actually the ones that I really like. So I just actually made do with all this and then put this on this one, and I think these are really pretty. So yeah, these are the little ones. So just zooming on my nails, these are so pretty. Look at that. And these little glitter ones and the little cute mouse and the pink color, which I don't really like that there's like bubbles in it, maybe because I didn't press them hard enough. But yep, these are my nails.